Hi, welcome to a new tutorial about how to parse a custom Excel date format using Tab Studio. The custom date format would be this one. First, we need to create a new automation or open an existing one and search for the Excel workbook action and drag it into a new sequence. By pressing the plus sign, we create a new variable and I will name mine tutorial. In the variable type, we need to change it to Excel document. Next, we are setting the path. After this, we need a custom C# script. Here, we press on the Generate Code Starter and add two new libraries. System.io and Office Open XML. Here we need to add the worksheet from the Excel document. Next, we need to find out how many rows does that worksheet has. I will name the variable row count. After this, we need a for loop. We will start from 2 because the first row has titles. And then we increment the I. Next, we need to handle the column name. Next, we need to parse the date format by using an additional variable. And cast it to a string. And now, time for the proper variable, which would be the type of date time. And now, in order to prove that it works, let's have a message box displaying the date. Be careful, we need to give it a specific format in which it would display the date. And then we save. As you can see, it works. Thanks for watching.